Hello, you're welcome back. So in this video we are going to talk about our YouTube settings. This is very important, and after that we are done with this whole tutorial. Then our YouTube settings is very important, but let me walk you through. Now remember, we are on our YouTube studio dashboard. So when you have been able to customize and change all these things and get all these parts done, so you just have to go to the next thing is your settings. Okay, all these things is just to check your, this is your, you want to go to your dashboard, you click here, your content, you want to see the content of the video that you have uploaded. This is where you find them, but you will not see any video for now because I've not uploaded a video newly about on this channel. I just created it for the purpose of this tutorial. Then you see analysis. Analysis is where you want to check how the performance of your video. You want to check it, you go here, click analysis. Your community, if you create a community on YouTube, go here and check it out. Your subtitles, your copyright, your end. If you want to get monetized, this is where you go and get that done. And we are currently on customization, which is this dashboard you are seeing here. Audio library. Let me quickly walk you through audio library. Audio library is if you want to upload your video on YouTube and you want to add a background music, then YouTube has been able to give us some free audio samples that you can use. Okay, so when you play anyone, then you listen to it. If it is something that you like, you just come here and click download. To download to your computer, then you use it and edit your video. Okay, so that's it for now. Competitors, this is where you analyze your video. So all these things is what you'll be checking when you start working on your YouTube channel by uploading video every week. Okay, but lastly is just the settings. That is where we are going for now. Before we conclude on this video. So when you click on settings, it will bring you to this place. These things, we are going to optimize all these settings, and it is very, very important. Please pay attention, pay very good attention. All right, on general, we have our default unit, so always choose US dollar. If your own is not on US dollar, make sure you change it to US dollar. It's very important. If it's not there, just click the arrow down, then you choose the currency US dollar and leave it there. So that's it for general. Then channel, click on channel. When you click on channel, it will bring you to this place. All right, now it has 1, 2, 3 categories, so we start from 1. Choose the next thing. What we are seeing here is country. Okay, so you want to choose your country. Make sure you choose your country. It is very, very important. Okay, then you want to, if you go down, you see keywords. Now these keywords are very important because it is something that will help the YouTube algorithm to understand what your channel is all about. It is just like having your YouTube description, but your YouTube keywords, it is very more important. Okay, because YouTube is a search engine, so your keyword is the search engine works by keyword. So this keyword is very important. You want to be very, very careful with it. Now if you discover what I wrote here is everything related to real estate. Okay, land for sale in Nigeria, buy property from abroad, Nigeria property market, diaspora real estate guide, real estate in Nigeria, CFO, due diligence, real estate. So putting agent, real estate properties, land survey, land, apartment, lead generation, survey, realtor. So anything related to real estate is what you are going to be putting in here. So it will help the algorithm to know that your channel is all about real estate. And whenever you upload video, it's always going to help to push your video to the right people that will be consume your content. Okay, so putting your keywords, very important. All right, so make sure you do that. Now the next thing is advanced settings. Go to advanced settings, which is here. Then you want to set this thing, follow up these settings. It's very important. Follow up these settings. Now when you come to audience, you say, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Make sure you say no, it is not for kids. All right, now Google Ad account linking. This is when you want to run advert YouTube account. So remember, this is what I will be teaching in this channel, how to run Google and YouTube ad account. So you want to, whenever you want to connect your YouTube to your Google account because you want to run YouTube ad, this is where you come and do the settings. You just come here, link account, then you link this YouTube to your Google Ad account. So that will be when I upload video on how to run Google and YouTube ad account for real estate. Okay, so stay tuned. Now scroll down, you say automatic captions. Click on yes. If you want, whenever you upload video and you want YouTube to suggest caption for your video, then you click check it, so that if you want that kind of feature, you can still edit it in case it doesn't give you what you want. So that's left for you. When it comes to clips, say allow viewers to clip my content. It is very important, just a kind of growing your engagement on your YouTube channel. All right, so you want to leave this manage YouTube account for now, or remove YouTube content, leave it for now. We are not doing anything there. Then the next one is feature eligibility. Now standard features, when you go here, you will see that you want to, there's a requirement that you will meet up. So for this thing to be turned, to be enabled, you have to verify your phone number. So you see where you say enable, this your own will be red and it will be written enable. The way they are telling you is to verify your phone number. Okay, intermediate features, advanced features. If you want to be using YouTube advanced features, then you want to verify your phone number, verify your identity. So when you click on enable, they will request, they will send, you put in your phone number and they will send it a code which you are going to type in here. Once they see that you typed it correctly, then they will upgrade your account to be able to use all these features, which is very, very important. So when it comes to standard features, say upload videos, create playlists, and add collaborations and new videos to playlist. So I can actually upload playlists. That is why, because I have enabled I have meet up with the standard, I cannot be able to upload playlists. This one, videos over 15 minutes. If you want to be uploading it, then you have to make sure you verify your phone number, and also increase daily video upload and live streams, and also live streams. Everything, this channel is qualified to do all those things. So to be able to turn your own from red to green, then you want to verify your phone number and your identity. So that's what you're going to do here. Make sure you do it. If not, you may not be able to upload longer video or run live stream. All right, so that is for that. After you have done that, the next thing is upload default. When you click on upload default, whenever you upload video on your YouTube channel, the first thing that will come automatically is this real estate and architecture. It's me that put it there. So you can still remove it if you want. Then description, I also put in something that will just be there as a default, and I say information. So this is just based on you. It's not necessary that you do this sense, but if you want to do it, you just put in something that is default based on what your YouTube channel is talking about. Okay, so my own description, I say information is so powerful. You are pulled out of ignorance when you get it, but when you don't, you are gradually deformed. Watch and implement and start winning this. So this is just a kind of a conclusion of whenever I want to put in description for my YouTube video, anytime I want to upload, this is a default description that will come. I may decide to delete it that time, or I may decide to leave it and then add up description based on the kind of video I have created. Okay, I hope you understand. And the next one is advanced settings. When you come to advanced settings, license is standard YouTube license. Make sure you choose it. Standard YouTube license. Okay. Now also, make sure you check this, allow automatic chapter and key moments. Then under the second one, make sure you choose standard YouTube license. Category, make sure you choose category for your channel. My own, I choose education because I'm teaching people. All right, so my own is education. Language and caption certification, you choose the English. Okay, you choose English. Now caption certification, I did not do anything there. You can decide to choose something or you leave it. Okay, now comment, do you want people to always comment on your YouTube video? If yes, you turn it on. If not, you choose off. Me, my own is on. I want people to comment so that I will be increasing engagement in my video. Now moderation, I choose none. Then show how many viewers like this video. Like if you upload video and you want to show how many people that like your video, you want to check this on. So this is a simple setting that you just go through it, read it. It's very simple. You know the one you want to allow in your YouTube channel and the one you don't want to allow in your YouTube channel. It's very important. Okay, and it's very simple. The next one is permissions. Now, under permission, what we are actually doing here is the owner of this account, the name and the role of this account. Now, this is the email address I use for this channel, okay, and that's why it's written owner. Now, if somebody wants to, maybe want to invite somebody, or you want to employ somebody to be your YouTube manager, okay, social media manager, then you click on invite, then you type the email of that person, then YouTube will send notification message to that person email telling him that so person wants to invite you to be an editor also to this channel. And if the person accept the invitation, then the person can be able to be managing your YouTube studio. So this is where you want to hire somebody, you just come here and add invite. Okay, so that's what this permission is all about. So it's very simple. The community moderation. When you come to community moderation, then when you get to that standard, you can be able to kind of edit this thing very much. Okay, so I don't have much to do here because it's just a brand new channel. When it starts growing, can come back here and I rearrange how I want my community members to be interacting with this channel. Okay, but when you scroll down down to live redirect, say I check channel I subscribe to can redirect to my content. Do it because it's a way of growing your own YouTube channel. Okay, so now keyword, not keywords, tags, fake block words. Sorry. Now you want to put in some block words here so that anybody that comments on your video and type anything that is here exactly in this place, YouTube will not allow that comment to appear. Okay, so that's why I type something like fake agent, fake retail, scam alert, scam property. All those things are not good to be seen on your comment section, because when somebody type in, there are a lot of people who are out there just to frustrate you in your business, so they will come and type those things just to frustrate you. So when a real buyer sees all those things, it will spark out fear in that person, okay, and begin to doubt you. All right, so whenever somebody come and type something like, let me say, scam, just click here and say scam property. You hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will join, and scam property to join. So this, when anybody that type anything related to all these things here, YouTube will block and delete that comment. All right, so you want to put in some filter words, some words that you don't want people to type on your channel, okay, and the comment section. So here is where you are going to block them. Right, type those things and to block it. Now also make sure, I even go far to say block links. Any links, anybody that come to my YouTube channel and drop a link in the comment section, I say YouTube should block that link. Nobody should go. I don't want anybody who is not building the YouTube channel with me to come and drop any link and take my audience away. Okay, that's why I don't want anything like link in the comment section. And once you click on this, you check it. Anybody that drop anything, link, suspicious link, YouTube will block that link and nobody can be able to follow that link to anywhere. Okay, and the next one is default. When it comes to default, it is also based on sorry, the growth of your channel. Okay, so there's not much here. Who can post? You put subscriber, minimum subscription time 1 week, moderation basic. So these are just simple things you want to do. Comment on your channel, turn it on. Moderation, and also your community. These are things you want to do. Viewers post, turn it on. If you want to be seeing the post of your viewers, turn it on. So just here is just to know and set how your channel, or you want to run your channel. Okay, so this, make sure you go through all these things and choose the option that best suits you very well. And lastly is agreement. Agreement is just for you to go and read the terms and conditions of YouTube policy. Okay, so that whenever you start creating content on YouTube channel, you will not upload a video that is not spammy, or video that will kind of cause them to block your channel or to kick you away of the platform. So you want to go and click see more and you're going to read. It's very important. I advise you read it very well so that you will not violate the YouTube terms and conditions when creating and uploading your video. Okay, after doing all these settings, what you want to do is you just click on save here. Once click it, once you click, everything will be saved, and boom, your channel is now okay. All right, since you have done those settings and we have customized our channel, then we are good to go. We have been able to create good YouTube channel. All right, just like you can see right here. Now the next thing is, if you want to upload your YouTube video, just go to this button that says plus button that says create. You click on it, you see the option upload videos, or go live, or create posts, or new playlists, or new podcasts. So depending on the one you want to do, once you click on upload video, it will take you to your computer and you select the video that you have recorded and edited, then you now upload. So the next video will be how to upload videos. Maybe whenever I'm about to upload this video, I will record my screen and show you how to upload your YouTube videos. So it is very important. So thank you for staying to the end. This is just a practical example on how to create a perfect YouTube channel for your business. So go and implement, create a channel like this, and once you create a channel like this, you just want to start create. Okay, click on create, upload a video, you do your optimization, which I will teach you, that will be my next video, and then start publishing your videos so that people begin to notice you, contact you, and recognize you for your business. Thank you for watching to the very end. I appreciate. Like and subscribe to the channel. Then I will see you in my next video. For now, bye and stay safe.